The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It is a rolling statement of luxury, power, and craftsmanship taken to an entirely new level. This creation from one of the most prestigious names in automotive history redefines what a motorhome can be, combining elegance, presence, and engineering brilliance into a massive yet graceful exterior form. The first impression anyone gets when looking at this motorhome is that it is unmistakably a Rolls-Royce. Its sheer size is imposing, yet every line, curve, and surface carries the DNA of the brand, instantly recognizable and designed to impress. The front end of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands attention with its oversized chrome Pantheon grille, a hallmark of the brand. It rises tall and proud, framed by sleek LED headlamps that carry the signature laser-etched design found in Rolls-Royce's most exclusive cars. The Spirit of Ecstasy, redesigned for the motorhome, sits slightly taller, sculpted to look powerful against the wide bonnet, giving the vehicle a majestic stance as it glides down the road. The bonnet itself is elongated, with a subtle crease down the centerline, echoing the language of Rolls-Royce's long tradition of stately touring cars. Moving along the sides, the sheer proportions of the motorhome become evident. It stretches out with an unbroken shoulder line that emphasizes length and strength. The body panels are smooth, with seamless joins that highlight Rolls-Royce's commitment to perfection in craftsmanship. Chrome accents run along the base, and the large panoramic side windows are sculpted to create a floating effect. Every curve is refined, flowing naturally without abrupt transitions. The roofline arcs elegantly, giving the vehicle a sense of movement even when standing still. The wheels are a defining feature. Massive alloy rims designed exclusively for this motorhome. Each wheel carries a polished finish with Rolls-Royce's self-righting center caps that ensure the logo never rotates out of place. The tires are reinforced to carry the enormous weight of the vehicle, yet engineered to offer a whisper-quiet ride. Around the wheel arches, subtle sculpting adds a sense of dynamism, making the bulk of the vehicle appear lighter and more athletic. At the rear, Rolls-Royce has gone for a design that is both stately and futuristic. The taillights feature a thin LED signature that stretches horizontally, providing a sharp contrast to the tall stance. Chrome bars run across the rear fascia, tying into the front grille design. The rear overhang is extended, but it flows seamlessly into the body without looking boxy, creating an image of a luxury yacht on wheels. The roof spoiler subtly integrates aerodynamic channels, ensuring the vehicle remains stable at higher speeds. The exhaust outlets are hidden, emphasizing Rolls-Royce's focus on clean lines and silent power delivery. The exterior color options are extensive, with Rolls-Royce's bespoke division offering endless customizations, from deep two-tone finishes to metallic and pearlescent paints. Each motorhome can be tailored to reflect its owner's personal taste. The paintwork undergoes multiple layers of polishing, achieving the mirror-like finish Rolls-Royce is famous for. Even the pinstripes along the body are hand-painted, a tradition carried into this massive creation. In terms of performance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome does not compromise. Underneath its stately shell lies a hybrid electric powertrain derived from Rolls-Royce's latest luxury sedan lineup. A twin-turbocharged V12 works in harmony with advanced electric motors, delivering both power and refinement. The combined output exceeds 800 horsepower, ensuring that despite its size, this motorhome accelerates with authority. The electric motors provide instant torque, allowing the vehicle to move effortlessly, whether navigating highways or climbing steep terrain. Rolls-Royce has engineered the chassis to perfection. A specially developed air suspension system keeps the ride level at all times, adapting instantly to road conditions. It glides smoothly, eliminating vibrations and harshness. The motorhome feels as if it is floating, living up to Rolls-Royce's legendary standard of comfort. Advanced active stabilizers counteract body roll, ensuring stability through curves, making the driving experience more like a luxury limousine than a traditional RV. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the design. Although it is massive in size, every contour has been carefully shaped to reduce drag and enhance efficiency. The rounded edges, tapered roofline, and hidden air channels beneath the body all contribute to smoother airflow. The grille itself is not just a design piece but integrates active shutters that open and close depending on cooling needs, balancing performance with efficiency. Historically, Rolls-Royce has been associated with the ultimate expression of motoring luxury, but the 2026 motorhome marks a significant milestone. It is the first time the brand has ventured into creating such a large-scale mobile residence, yet it fits seamlessly into their philosophy of building vehicles that are more than machines, but symbols of status, craftsmanship, and excellence. The project was born out of demand from ultra-wealthy clients who wanted the ability to travel in unmatched comfort while still maintaining the aura of exclusivity. The motorhome continues Rolls-Royce's tradition of timeless design. Every feature of the exterior avoids unnecessary trends, instead focusing on creating a form that will look elegant decades into the future. Just as Rolls-Royce cars from the 1920s remain iconic today, the 2026 motorhome is designed with enduring appeal, blending classic proportions with modern technology. The lighting technology on this vehicle is another highlight. At the front, the laser headlights project beams with exceptional clarity and range. They automatically adjust to road conditions, bending with curves and dimming selectively to avoid dazzling other drivers. At the sides, ambient lighting strips subtly illuminate the lower sills at night, giving the impression that the motorhome is floating. At the rear, the taillights integrate sequential turn signals, adding a futuristic flair to the timeless elegance. The door system is also a masterpiece. Instead of conventional motorhome access, Rolls-Royce has engineered wide, coach-style doors that open with precision hydraulics. The handles are finished in polished chrome with hidden touch sensors, eliminating the need for mechanical buttons. The exterior steps extend automatically when the door is opened, then retract seamlessly when closed, ensuring nothing disrupts the flowing body lines. Safety is paramount, and the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome incorporates advanced exterior sensors. Cameras are subtly integrated into the grille, mirrors, and rear fascia, giving a full 360-degree view. Radar and lidar modules are flush-mounted, ensuring they do not interfere with the aesthetic. These systems not only assist with driving but also with maneuvering such a large vehicle in tight spaces. The sensors remain hidden, preserving the elegant look without sacrificing functionality. The roof is another area where Rolls-Royce innovation shines. It is fitted with a solar panel system designed to assist the hybrid powertrain, providing additional energy for auxiliary systems. The panels are seamlessly integrated into the glass surface, appearing as a continuous, glossy finish rather than separate units. The roofline also incorporates hidden antennae, ensuring connectivity without visible clutter. The history of Rolls-Royce is one of uncompromising dedication to perfection. From building aircraft engines in the early 20th century to crafting some of the most luxurious automobiles ever made, the brand has always stood at the pinnacle of engineering and luxury. The 2026 motorhome carries that legacy forward. It shows that Rolls-Royce can take on entirely new challenges and still deliver a product that exceeds expectations. In terms of road presence, nothing compares to this vehicle. When it moves through a city or along a coastal highway, it draws attention not just because of its size, but because of its elegance. It is not aggressive, but it has authority. It does not shout for attention, but it commands respect. Its proportions are balanced, and its details refined. It projects power and sophistication in equal measure. Rolls-Royce has also paid attention to customization. Clients can personalize nearly every exterior element, from the finish of the grille to the design of the wheels, from the paint combinations to the hand-painted motifs. No two motorhomes need ever be the same. Owners can even commission unique badges and emblems, turning the vehicle into a true one-of-one masterpiece. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not just transportation, it is a moving palace. Its exterior represents everything the brand stands for. From elegance to innovation, from history to modernity, it combines performance, design, and engineering into a single, seamless package. Unlike conventional motorhomes, which prioritize function over form, Rolls-Royce has achieved both, offering functionality while maintaining unmatched beauty. This vehicle represents a new era, where luxury is not confined to mansions or private jets, but can travel freely across roads and landscapes. It is a symbol of how far automotive design has come, and a reminder that even in the world of practicality, art and engineering can meet to create something extraordinary. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome proves that the ultimate luxury is not about standing still, but about moving with grace, power, and presence. As Rolls-Royce looks toward the future, this motorhome stands as a landmark, an example of innovation while staying true to heritage. It represents a fusion of tradition and progress, creating a vehicle that not only defines the present but will inspire the future. With its unmatched exterior design, world-class performance, and historical significance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is destined to be remembered as one of the greatest expressions of rolling luxury ever built.